until Tuesday, April 15th to file their tax returns or request an extension to file and pay any taxes owed. With just 1 weekend left before that deadline, CBS News business analyst Joe Schlesinger is here with some advice just for you, so get your pen and pads ready.
Let's go.
Good morning.
Yes. Good morning.
All right, so what should you do if you haven't filed your taxes yet?
Maybe cancel your weekend plans, right? And,
Right.
and I will say that you want to gather up all your documents and you want to fire up your computer. We really want to encourage people to file electronically, not paper, and use direct deposit. If you're due a refund, you'll get it faster. Before you submit, before you hit send, please double check. The IRS sends out this list of the most common errors. Well, you know what we do? We're in a rush. It's the weekend before. I mix up my social security number. I claim the wrong status. I forget to say, oh no, I'm the head of the household. No, I'm single. I got married, whatever. You claim the wrong status. You don't put down the actual credits and deductions you're entitled to. And you know this one, it always kills me. People forget to sign and date their return, even when they do it electronically. So just do that. Make sure you get that. It's very easy to do, especially if you're a wage earner. I don't think it's going to be like a ruining your weekend.
Or they don't sign on purpose to get more time. I might have known someone that
oh my goodness!
Back in the day.
So asking for a friend.
Yeah, asking for a friend. If you're going to file for an extension, what do you need to know?
So Form 4868 at IRS.gov. And by the way, the IRS website is very good. It's pretty easy to navigate. So here's what you need to know about an extension. It's kind of a weird thing because you get an extra 6 months to file. So you get all your documents, you get extra 6 months. However, you don't get an extra 6 months to pay. So now listen, here's the situation. Let's pretend, now you should be fine. Let's say you're a wage earner, you've withheld your taxes, you probably don't owe any more money. But let's say you had a big financial transaction last year, maybe you sold a home. Let's say one of you in a couple made a lot more money and you didn't withhold enough money. You've got to send the IRS the money you think you owe before April 15th. That's the way you can reduce or basically alleviate the penalties that could come.
What if you owe the IRS money, but you don't have that money in your bank account?
You're not the first one, Vlad, who's asked me that question. And I will tell you, the IRS has dealt with this. They've got short-term and long-term payment plans. This will stretch those payments out over many months. It's really helpful. The one thing I have to underscore about payment, weirdly, the IRS allows you to pay with a credit card. I hate this. I hate this so much. First of all, it's an expensive way to pay. There are fees associated with credit cards. But let's say you put your tax bill on your credit card, you don't pay your credit card bill off in time, then you're paying that huge interest on top of the tax bill on that amount. It's not a good idea.
But it's important to let them know, I know I owe you money and I'm going to pay it.
Absolutely. And don't forget, IRA and Roth IRA contributions by April 15th, even if you're on extension.
We appreciate you. Joe Schlesinger ahead. The stories you'll be talking about today and what to watch. But right now, it is 7:42.